Come test drive the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.